Si Mama Day, grabe ka ng pag... Ready? Sige. Mamatay namin ang light mo, mamatay.
Uy, kita naknakin na maamong ko.
Sige, happy birthday lang ang lights mo na. Happy birthday lang, mamatay. Birthday ka daw, mamatay. Tanga-tanga. Dami ko lights. I will show you, Ang ganda mo talaga dito, Mama Day. Tatlo na kami nagsasabi dito. Ano mo kay Mama Day?
I didn't feel it.
Paano pa-unlock ako ng para makita ni Mama Day? Ang masasabi mo sa paparating na birthday ni Papa Bong?
Ano masasabi? Sasabihin ko.
May message ka, Papa Boy?
Ano ba? Sa birthday mo ba? Just give your top priority to your family. Yan.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bong, happy birthday, Bong. Sabay pa nga, duo pa mga mamayad nga mga tabusay mo kabuhi. Ano mo hindi, harkan mo si Sak para ka natin, kasi ang mula ni mga kain sa birthday mo para ka natin, Bong. Happy birthday!
Bong, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday, Lolo Bongbong. Have a nice day.
Hi, Papa Bong. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for being a great role model for us while we were growing up. I remember always seeing you tinkering with different machines in Lola's house beside the yellow jeepney. And growing up and seeing that really made me believe that if you work hard enough and tinker hard enough, you can actually find solutions to problems, mechanical man yan or otherwise. So thank you so much for being a very dependable person for the family, and I am so happy that you have started and surrounded yourself and built yourself a beautiful and wonderful family there in Canada. We are so proud of you for showing us and for proving that if you're dedicated enough, you're passionate enough about what you're doing, you can eventually reach places, and that if you follow your heart, really makakadto ka gid sa places nga gusto mong kadtoan. So on your birthday, may you enjoy the festivities that Tita Ann has prepared for you, and may you always remember that Zach is very lucky to have a dad like you. So I remember how palaasar you are, and permi mo lang kaming ginasunlog, pero I saw growing up how dependable and how loving and low-key sweet you are. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe always. Happy birthday!
Hi Bong, happy birthday! Wish you enjoy your special day. Stay healthy and keep safe always. Regards everybody.
Hello Bong. Bisa sa training ako dyan, mag-greet kita ko kanimo. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. I wish na sa good health ka, kag always happy every day. Good luck. Enjoy mo ang special day mo. Sa liwat, happy birthday. God bless.
Mate, happy 50th birthday, and wish you all the best, and regards to your family, and I hope to see you soon, and God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Bong. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your day and good luck.
Happy 50th birthday, Bong! Halong kapermi!
Alright, good morning mga mates. Kumusta ka mo tanan dyan? Gusto ko lang i-shoutout ang tropa natin nga birthday celebrant. Tropa ta sa pagsipal kang taksi kag pitik-pitik ka lastiko. Katropa ta sa Tagayan kag sa pagsipal kang basketball. Happy birthday kay batchmate, tropa natin dyan kay Bongbong Walter Ismenos. Hope nga duro pa nga birthday ang mag-aabot kag maging masinadyahan ang imong kaadlawan. Kabay pa nga kuan ka pa kamayad nga lawas kag ang kabuhi nga malawit para duro pa nga panahon ang ma-enjoy natin nga pag-celebrate kung kita magkirita ay. Once again, happy birthday Bongbong Walter Ismenos. Thank you kid mga mates.
Happy 50th birthday, Bongbong Walter. Enjoy your special day and regards to all of you there.
Hi Walter, have a blessed birthday. Hope you are always well and in good health. May our dear Lord bless you with more blessings and a full of bountiful health and a happy family. Regards to Anne and your whole family. Happy birthday.
Hi, Papa Bong. I just want to say that I'm so fortunate to have such an amazing, exciting, and fun uncle like you. I appreciate having you around while I was growing up. And I know it's a bit too late, but I just want to say thank you for babysitting me for all those years. And seeing you became a great dad to Zach brings back so much memories. I still remember when I was still a baby. You used to make me sit on your lap while driving your yellow Jeep, and you're driving back and forth to Villar just to make me sleep. Feel ko amo na ang reason nga naging lagawan ko sa Bong because bata pa lang ako, ginalagaw-lagaw mo na ako. Char. Pero kidding aside, Papa Bong, you're such a great person and it gives me so much joy to see you climb the ladder of success. After all you've been through, I've seen how hardworking and passionate person you are. So Papa Bong, you deserve all of the love and blessing that comes your way. And I just want to wish you a happy birthday and hope to see you soon!
Hi, hello Bong, happy birthday. Kabay nga duro pa nga birthday ang mga abot para kanimo. Tuguran kang ka mayad nga lawas. Saluan, God bless you. Yan, kanyo tanan.
Happy 50th birthday, Bongbong Walter. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and God bless.
My classmate, Bongbong Walter. Bong, happy 50th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. And regards to your family. See you soon.
Hi Bong Walter, happy 50th birthday to you. Wish you all good things in life and have a fantastic birthday celebration. Enjoy. God bless you.
Hi, greetings from London. Hi Bong, happy 50th birthday. Can't believe this year's we are all celebrating half decade in our life, 50 years old. Can you imagine that? But never mind, age doesn't matter. It's just the numbers. So today, it's your turn to celebrate 50th birthday. So I just wanna wish you happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best, filled with love and happiness and more blessings to come. So today, have a wonderful time celebrating your 50th birthday. Bye!
Hi, Papa Bong! It's Nina and Princeton. We want to wish you a happy birthday! We love you! All the way from New Jersey! Happy birthday!
Hi, Bong. Happy birthday to you. May your special day filled with love and happiness. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Regards to all your family. Again, happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Bongbong Walter Ismenos, isa sa pinakamabait kong classmate at pinakagwapo. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Free Walter, happy 50th birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday!
Love from Xander.
Cyril and Zara.
Happy 50th birthday, Bong. Enjoy your day and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Walter.
Happy 50th birthday!